I just got to get the fucking we got to get working on it, really.
Gonna get started. Yeah, you can really see all these dings. Fuck, there's so many of them, right? So they're like all the way up here, all the way through the whole panel. They're all in here. Jeez. So this side's actually not bad. I think we'll have a look at the roof. That actually looks alright so far. No signs of rust through the roof again. This side's somewhat better. It's got like a better line there. It's got that ding there. That one there. Oh, there's a fucking couple over there. And the big one right there. It's the fucking monsoon season. Got the headlight plastics kind of sanded up, primed up, surfaced. Got the spoiler over there, trying to get all the blue off it. It's actually been going well. That was covered in blue. Got the thinners on it. Just rubbing it off so the blue doesn't bubble under the primer and paint. Alright, so I've circled all the major defects, a few of the little ones too, but most of the major dings. So this is all the bits that need bogged. So I'm gonna have to sand all these back and get those bits flat. I don't know how, but I somehow got a drip this on the car. This is a fucking first for me. That's a fucking monster. I don't know what I was thinking there. I got the spoiler all wiped up, sanded down, thinners on it, trying to get the blue off. Got the primer mixed up in the gun. Oh yeah, look at that. I forgot the fucking nozzle, the spray tip. Gotta go grab that. Yeah, so gotta prime the fucking spoiler. See what we can get done today. So I've got the spoiler all fucking primed up, you know. It doesn't look too bad. We got to sand it out, so it's got all the lines in it that I've just showed you. So we'll have a look at it and see how many lines are still in it. So I've tried to cake it on and try and like fill as much as you can of those crevices, and you know, boom, like we'll sand it, see how flat we can get it. It might need another coat of surfacer, but we should be able to get 90% of them motherfuckers out. Alright, so we've caked it on. We filled a few of them already. You got heaps of like, I don't know if you can actually see it at the moment on camera. You see them ones, but there's heaps of scuff marks still on it. But once you sand them, you get this, it all flat, and you can just keep going and fill it. So see how we go. I was moving the bonnet and I full dragged it onto the guard by accident and full fucked it. So we're gonna have to like redo this guard. It's quite annoying. So got the rear bar been on it for a fucking good hour and a half, and bogging it, sanding it, fucking trying to fill mainly these chips. Got carried away trying to fucking make this edge, one on the other side, filled one in there, trying to sand the blue off. We're gonna fucking, it's already kind of half primed, but we're gonna have to surface it again. There's still little nicks and scratches in it. See if we can get a little bit more blue off. But it's pretty much good to go. It's got some noodles in it. I can't fucking win around here, eh? I just was blowing it off and I fucking nicked it and I chipped the fucking bumper after I just spent like hours bogging it. Now I have to like do another fucking thing just about to paint it. This is fucked. For fuck's sake. It's 5:30 at night. I have the bar bogged up in the new chip I did, and I have the spoiler all sanded back. I bogged them again, so it's actually done quite well now. There's the tiniest high spot there. I actually hit that again now. But other than that, you can't even notice they're there. It's all sanded. See how it looks. I'll let to stand up. Ran out just for this little fucking number plate section. That's alright, because I'll probably sand it back, give it another little like go over. A few months ago, what are these dogs? Ooh. Got some Chinese spray bottles that are meant to be able to spray like degreaser and thinners and shit without the seals wearing out inside them. Heaps cheap. Into like 15-20 bucks each, but they're normally like fucking 50-60 at the local shop. So testing out the China ones, see how they go. So it seems like customers didn't do a really good job on these ones, because I just fucking pumped that and sprayed it and it shot out water from China. So like it's somewhere on my floor and it stinks. So I don't know how safe that is, but like it's good that if I got two of the dogs, because like, bro, this one's like crushed in on itself. It's really broken. It's not broken, but it's deformed. So I've moved some of the painting, like the painting kind of easel thing, I think that's the word. I got the fucking, that I paint stuff on from the grass. I mowed the lawn, I moved it up, the painting thing up to the fucking front of the garage. It's actually quite nice. And the spray bottles come from China, like actually from China. So I've like I was looking at them, I was like, I want to spruce them up a bit, and then it clicked, like I can just make like a sticker for the fucking bottles. Like, so I've made a mini one, heaps small. We'll see how it comes out. I'll turn the force down a little bit and the speed down a decent amount, like 15% or something, because it's smaller. It's all printed out. Now the goal of this too was to be able to make the sticker while I cook the microwave meat. Oh, it's still a bit hot. The microwave butter chicken. I just wanted to like do this while it's still hot, while it's cooling down. So see how quick we can actually make a sticker. Turned on the computer, was turned off everything. So it's a matter of like 4 minutes. Got the mini one. It's got to pop out the circles. That full peeled off so easily. Probably the best of all the ones that I got done so far. It's like pretty fucking spot on. Boom. Look at that. That is actually hectic. Man. Nice. Not bad. So we have the bumper primed. I've sanded it back again. And yeah, I'm just gonna actually try and move the bumper a bit further because I've cleaned the front of the garage now. So I can actually kind of paint here, I think. I'm gonna try and set up a light up there so we can see and actually work at night time. See how we go. Sweep tapes far back in, so you can actually walk in here. This is hectic. It's like everything's slowly getting cleaner. We're getting there. One day it'll be organised. Alright, so instead of using the Baslac reducer, I've used a bit more of an aggressive Super Cheap Auto general purpose thinner, and it really seemed to have a different effect. I wanted to see what effect it has on the paint because we're doing the rear bar. So I think it's like, because it does a weird thing when you use the reducer. It's like it mixes properly and thins it, but it has like kind of clashes, like when water and oil, you know what I mean? It's like a bit funny at first. So I've got the edging done, and I'm just trying to do some of the high parts and the low parts because it's a bit ridgy. So I'm trying to do like the ridgy shit first, and then I can just do all the flat stuff kind of over the top of it. So when I do this ridge, it definitely is coming out better like this. I think anyway, either that or I'm just taking more time with it. So that's the first dusty coat. We've still got a wet sand at the back because you can see how it does that. So we get rid of all that. I swear we're doing good, eh? Like, see, it's not really that windy, the top's not moving. That is the only thing that is falling in the paint. And that's like, I swear only just happened. I think it's actually dry. So, hectic.